Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Hira's World. Well, this is a general reading for Scorpions for the month of February 2021. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of February. So let's see what cards have to say. Alright, so Scorpions, this is your energy of the month. That is the Queen of Wands reversed. I see here you are being little insecure about your position. I see here people being jealous of you, or some kind of psychic attacks. I see here um, maybe you wanted to have something in your life by now, and that is not happening in the way you had planned. So I see things getting delayed, a little bit of instability, and lack of contentment. Moving towards the first week, cards are Three of Cups reverse, the Hangman, and the Knight of Cups. So here I see that if you are working in a team with somebody, if either if it is work and you are working in a team, or if it is some kind of a celebration which was supposed to happen in the family, and things are getting postponed, or things are not working out somehow. So it is a sign from the universe that you should do certain things on your own. If it is a project which is which in which you are working with your partners, in a team, so maybe things are not working out, so it's better that you do something on your own. Similarly, if it is your personal situation, you're not feeling emotionally content, you have things are getting postponed, some marriage, some engagement ceremony or something, then you might feel a little trapped about it. You might feel that things are not happening in the way you want to be, but somehow you will not be too worried also. I hope I can make sense here, that things will not be happening in the way you want. You will not be able to do anything about it, but still, somehow, you will not be worried about it as well. So, this kind of an energy I see, but the advice is, like, if it is your work situation, it's better that you do something which doesn't need a team, because somehow teamwork is not working right now for you. Before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the monthly updates. The second week cards are the World reversed, Two of Cups, and Nine of Swords. So here I see major issue with the relationship. I see a lot of arguments, fighting. You want to end these arguments, you want to end these fights. It could be you, your partner, but somehow you are not able to do that. And this is giving you a lot of stress, nightmares. Whatever you have told each other, or whatever has happened which was painful, which was bad, or which was somewhat very hurtful, is not letting you sleep at night. You get those memories, you get those flashbacks in your mind, and things are just not happening the way you really wanted them to happen. So I see that kind of a stress over here. The suggestion is, it's better that you talk to someone about it rather than keeping it within yourself, because that might turn up in some kind of a depression, or a lot of stress, and it might affect your health. So try and talk about it to somebody who may help you at least emotionally, or come out of this situation. The third week cards are the Tower reversed, Page of Pentacles, and Page of Cups. So here again, I see both of you. I don't know. I think both the partners. I think you and your partner, if it is a love situation, you are being immature. So one of you is insensitive. One of you is not able to be sensitive towards money. One of you is sensitive towards the emotions of other person. So this kind of immaturity, and not letting things go, this might lead to some trouble. And because you both are quite similar, you both are exactly a replica of each other. And if one is immature, the other person is also immature. You have this immature energy around you, and you people really need to grow. So that might lead to some kind of a painful movement, because because of a lot of arguments, instability, and some kind of transformation in the relationship. I see here it could be sudden transformation, and yeah, that's what I see. In the fourth week, the cards are King of Swords, Ten of Wands, and Page of Swords reversed. So I see one person out of you becoming mature. I don't know why I see that it could be your partner, but that person becoming mature after this transformation, and the other person is still the same. Rather, things might become even worse. They are not, they might take certain impulsive decisions which are not good. The one person will have clarity. They would know what to do, how to do, and they will take good decisions for themselves. And it is going to be a burdensome situation here, that both of you are totally different, having totally different energy. One is king, another one is page, that too in reverse. So I see that one person has become quite mature with whatever they have experienced in past and related to the relationship, but you both have a very clear cut energy. It is there is no romance, there is no love or emotions, but very clear about their thoughts and what they want. So this could be a little burdensome, I guess, because this relationship, you might feel that it is not working, but you're still dragging it. So that kind of energy I feel here. That's about it, Scorpions. If you still have any doubt, please write to us in the comment box. If you want to go for your personalized or daily readings, you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description box. That's about it. Good luck.